guys, it's your girl Rose Secrets coming at you with another video. Before we get started, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend, tell a mom and them, because we lady over here. And without further ado, in today's video we're going to be announcing the giveaway winner of the Hello Kitty, like the care package. If you know, you know. So I want to say thank you to everyone that participated, and the winner, our family member, is AGGR 2020. Once again, that's AGGR 2020. What's happening? What's up? What's up? So you are the lucky winner. Once again, congratulations. Thank you for participating. And make sure, because I'm going to put it somewhere on the screen, send me your mailing information to my email address, and I'll try to have it shipped this week. Yeah, this week. Hopefully, fingers crossed, because school just started. So just work with you, girl. So once again, shout out to the family member, AGGR 2020. And once again, y'all, we don't have any sore losers. Everybody congratulate our family member and be looking in the future for more giveaways. And that's that on that. What's happening and what's up? And once again, y'all, thank you for your support and just always showing your girl love. And until next time, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.